Hello students, I'm going to teach you how to install Audacity in your computers. I will assume that you are in a web browser like Google, and then you are going to type Audacity, okay? And then enter. Then you have the Audacity in, well, we have it here in Spanish, so probably that will be helpful for you. And you click on the web page, then you have the different possibilities. Okay, if you go to the download Audacity, it will take you to the place where you want to download this, and in my case I save it in a folder with my name. In of course I'm taking it, then I save. It says that it exists, and if I want to replace it, so yes, and then it downloads. Okay, it's ready now, so you click open, you let the application run. If you don't have it in Spanish, probably it will appear like run, and okay, you give permission. Well, you can choose the language you want for Audacity. I would take it normally in English, but I would leave it in Spanish this time. So you say accept. Okay, it will appear the installation helper. Okay, you accept terms and conditions. It will file it in C program files Audacity. You accept it. It says that it exists because I already have it, but I deleted it so I could do the re-recording. Okay, so I say yes. It will ask you to create a desktop icon, which is good, so accept it. And then okay, here's some information. Click install and it will install it. Okay, here you see the progress of the installation. Taking a little while. You can play some music, and I can say your attention is very important for us, thanks for listening, or something like that. Then it is done. Okay, so you say next. Okay, here will tell you that it's complete, and it will tell you launch Audacity, and then you finish and the program appears. And here, okay, I will stop this video here, so you can in the next video you will start learning how to record, but we need to make some information about MP3 files, so pay attention please. You will see that in the next video.